Time to take out. What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And y'all see today, man, it finna go down, man. It going down, man. Listen, I can't take it no more, man. I cannot take it no more, man. It about to go down, man. Y'all seen I got this thing uncovered. I'm finna take wifey clean and smooth up through there, man. Got this uncovered. I'm gonna warm this up for her. Hey, I never thought, man, I see the day. I'm just really trying to take out my own car, man. I own both of these cars, but I want to take this car out so bad, man. So, she crept by me. She crept by me again in the truck. Like I said, man, if you saw the video by now, then you already saw it, man. I mean, I left the truck in drive. Once again, what I got beat is underestimate my opponent, man. Just underestimate my opponent, man. Same thing with the truck. I said I don't have to manual shift. If I manual shifted, I could have caught him. I gave it a hit. So, but it is what it is, man. We having fun. Wifey got me again. But today, I got to pull out the cannon. Finally, pulling out the cannon. I told y'all I was coming, man. Hope y'all been enjoying the series and stuff. But I told y'all it was coming, man. Time to pull out the cannon. We got a pretty day. It don't feel that bad out here. Good weather. And hey, it's going down. That's all I can say. It's going digital. So I'm gonna hit my bro Flex up, man. See he'll come over here, grab that footage for me. Finna get to it. Let's go. Yes indeed. Dolo saying, take out, take out, take out. hey man, it's gonna be a slaughter. It's gonna be a slaughter. It's time for my get back, man. I cannot take another L, man. I can't do it. I ain't never thought I'd see the day I want to tear my own car to pieces. But I got to demolish this board, man. I got to. She done crept by me 2 times. She beat her own car, beat me in my truck. Man, I ain't going for that. So it's time to get the cannon. It's time to get the cannon. It's going down. It's going down. I had to get the cannon. Soon as she like Mo3 say, man, soon as she come outside, ooh wee, yeah. She will come outside. I'm finna tell R&B to pieces, man. I told her she got everything in drag racing. She got the back tie, the hit. We don't need no flag person. She got the hit on both races, so I might as well continue the cycle. She got the back tie, the hit, and I'm a gapper. I'm gonna gapper, track the trailer gap. Ain't gonna be nothing to see. So it is going digital. It's going all the way digital. So yes indeed, man. I already got her little weapon warmed up. So Dolo ain't even warm. I just crank it up. Just crank it up. Huh? Yeah, come outside. Ooh wee, yeah.
Hey, I told y'all what's gonna happen.
You know we stepping night and day. What's finna happen right now though?
We'll see.
You got everything in drag racing. So you get the back tie, the hit, and I'm a gap you. If I don't gap you, you gonna win. Look, that whole little phrase, let's get it.
Yeah.
See, the back tie, that means you pull up your back rim and line it up with my front rim.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you take off when you want to, and it's going down. If I don't gap you, if I don't gap her, she gonna win. So it's finna go digital. I promise it's finna be train smoke everywhere. And if it be train smoke everywhere, I'm gonna get her the camera, and then I'm gonna put on show for y'all. It going down. I can't take another one. I cannot take another one, man. I cannot take another one. It going down.
All right, y'all. so y'all can see we back at it. What I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all? As y'all can see, he's in Dolo. So what do y'all think gonna happen? But you know, I'm still comforting myself, you know. Y'all know you gotta always be confident in yourself. You got to, y'all. Got to be confident in yourself. Who else gonna do it, you know? Even though he's in Dolo and I'm in the Cutlass and the RV, yeah, it's good. It's fine, y'all.
He in front of. Give me my props. All right, so like I said, man, look, we close the thing up. We man, good little day, man. They were fun, man. I got shout out wifey. She getting better and better, man. I'm gonna have to keep. She getting some training in. She getting training. It's on 24, but she getting better and better, man. I got to give it to her. Like I said, she pulled technically by my steps. She won again. She won 3 out of 3 by my steps. Even though, like I said, it was at the track, that would have been a W. But I stipulated and said I was gonna gap her, and I didn't, cause I was doing all this spinning. And you saw in the video, it let go, man. I don't know why the rear end let go. It do that sometime. When the fluid get cold. Fluid cold too. I noticed that when my fluid cold, man, I ain't really warmed it up and rolled around, it'll let go sometime. It ain't nothing wrong with my rear end. Before people start that, man, something wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with my rear end. Just like the Cutlass. It could be, hold on. It could be, I just thought about that too, man, cause it might be that too. Need some tire, man. The tire looking pretty ugly. Looking pretty ugly, man. Cause remember, if y'all remember, if you've been watching the channel for a minute, y'all remember I did a video in R&B. I did a burnout. It pulled one tire. And I kept telling everybody, they like, the rim, you need to check the rim. I said, ain't nothing wrong with it. And remember, my tires were bald. One of them was, the tires were real bald. And I told them, but one had more grip than the other one. So I told them, I said, it's because the tire, man. The tire, one of them got more grip than the other. People, no, it ain't. No, it ain't. I said, all right. Remember when I put the new tires on? When I put the new tires on, car, remember when I first bought the car, right? They had been spinning one tire because it didn't have a rear end in it. So when I put a rear end in it, and it would spin one tire sometimes to let go, remember, people, it ain't something wrong with your rear end. I'm like, I just put a rear end in it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. But I told them it's the tire, the uneven wear. When I put the brand new tires in it, what happened, y'all? Pulling 2. That's what you get with a limited slip posi. So the tire let go. That's why it pulled the more. And shout out to Flick, man. He got that footage. It pulled that one more all the way. up the road, man. All the way, like. And I was like, man, the car spinning. Cause I ain't feel it, man. I was like, man, I could tell it was trying to move, but I was like, the car spinning, man, but it ain't sideways. You know, I'm used to this car, it'll get on, y'all know it'll get on tires and be sideways and still spin, you have to lift. And then when it bit, then when I came on the rim, just went boom. Went around wifey like she was sitting still. But it was spinning one time when I looked at it, put it. But it's about time to call my bro CJ. About time to call CJ, man, to get some new tires, man. So I'll probably be calling him this week, get a new set of tires. I'm going to finish these off first, though. I'm going to finish these off. So I'm going to call him, go ahead and get 4 brand new tires. I probably buy 6. Cause the front tire not wore, they ain't wore down yet. So I probably buy 6 and change the back 2 tires. And then I get to wear by the time I get finished doing what I'm doing. And all of them wear evenly. I just go and put the whole set on, but I have them. So I probably just buy 6 tires from CJ. You know, get him to mount up 2, change 2 of them out, cause them things done, man. Them things done. She tried this. She liked to creep by me again, but she did by my stipulation. I couldn't gap her cause I was doing all that spinning. But you know, good fun day. We had fun, man. That was about. It was about, man, husband and wife having fun, man, enjoying each other. And that's what we about, man. It ain't never no fake stuff over this way, man. Same thing. If y'all don't seen us in person, man, when no cameras on, it's the same thing, man. We really love each other and stuff. We have fun, man. We're a power couple. We do everything together. We came up together, all of that. So now we eat together, you know what I'm saying? Power couple. She's doing her thing, doing my thing. So she been driving, getting down, she getting better. I gotta give that. But ain't gonna be no more Mexico. I can't tell y'all that. We just doing it to finish the series up for y'all. Y'all some entertainment and to help her get some traffic too. So I got to shout out to all y'all that went over there, been hitting that subscribe button on Wifey channel. It's on the screen. I put it on the screen at the beginning. Dave with Kendra. I appreciate y'all really supporting her and all the footage she doing. Like, she like cars, but she ain't gonna do car stuff all the time. That's what YouTube about. I told her do what you love to do. So she ain't gonna do car stuff all the time. It's a part of her life. Like, y'all see, I don't do straight car stuff all the time. I like other stuff. I like firearms. I like fitness. I like family. I like helping people. So it ain't gonna be me at the track burning out. That's why I call the channel Life of JMalcom. So, you know. But anyway, yes indeed, we got it done. We got it done, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Who knows where the series gonna go next, man? Who knows? So y'all just stay tuned. Catch y'all later. BCG, we out.